In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your pins and profile on Pinterest. We'll walk through the exact settings on the Pinterest website so you can quickly make your profile private and control who sees your content. First, open your browser and go to Pinterest.com. Make sure you're on your own account homepage so you can access your account controls. From here, look toward the bottom left area of the screen. You should see a settings option, often represented by a gear icon or clearly labeled. Interfaces can shift slightly over time, but if you don't immediately see it, look for a gear or the word settings near your profile area on the left sidebar. Click Settings. If a small panel opens with several options, choose the main settings option again to open the full settings page. This ensures you're in the right place to adjust privacy controls rather than just viewing quick preferences. Inside the full settings page, find and select Profile Visibility. This section is dedicated to how visible your profile and content are to others on Pinterest. It's the place where you control whether your profile is open to everyone or restricted to only people you approve. Now, enable Private Profile. This typically appears as a toggle or switch. Turn it on and Pinterest will update your account to private. You may see a short confirmation or description explaining what this change means. Once your profile is private, only the people you approve can see your profile, your pins, your boards, and your followers and following lists. In other words, your content and your social graph are no longer public. This helps you maintain control over who can view your ideas and collections, which is especially helpful if you're curating personal projects, saving inspiration you want to keep within a smaller circle, or simply prefer a more private experience. A few helpful tips as you use a private profile. While your profile is private, people may still find your account name, but they won't be able to see your content unless you approve them. Follow requests let you decide who gets access. Turning your profile private won't delete anything. It only changes who can view it. Secret boards, if you use them, remain private regardless, so this setting complements that. And if you ever change your mind, you can return to the same profile visibility section and turn private profile off at any time. That's it. You've now hidden your pins and profile on Pinterest through the profile visibility setting. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your more private Pinterest experience.